I am Sister Sheila Gomez from the Franciscan Sisters of the Immaculate Conception. As a Franciscan religious, the value of peace holds deep personal significance to me. It resonates with the spirit and teachings of Saint Francis of Assisi, whose greeting, peace and all good, and life of peacemaking exemplify this virtue. This seemingly simple Franciscan greeting embodies this comprehensive desire for peace, aligning deeply with my core beliefs and values. For me, peace extends beyond the absence of conflict. It represents a profound inner harmony and goodwill toward all creation. Peace is not merely an abstract concept. Its realization necessitates humility. The attainment of authentic peace requires a comprehensive perspective, encompassing understanding and acceptance of individuals from diverse backgrounds. Humility is essential for being an instrument of peace, enabling acceptance and forgiveness. Without it, individuals struggle to see beyond their own perspectives, leading to judgment, hindering acceptance, and impeding forgiveness, which requires acknowledging that mistakes happen. Pride fosters division, conflict, and difficulty in understanding and resolving issues amicably. Also, to obtain peace, there must be love and sacrifice. The pursuit of genuine and lasting peace necessitates the profound presence of both love and sacrifice within individuals and across societies. These two concepts are not mutually exclusive, but rather deeply intertwined, forming a powerful foundation upon which harmonious coexistence can be built. Real love involves empathy, caring, prioritizing others, and recognizing everyone's importance. It drives us to improve communities through inclusion and reconciliation. Love fosters active listening, finding common good, and constructive problem solving. Achieving peace requires sacrifice, willingly giving up personal benefits for the common good. This means prioritizing community, enduring hardship for others, and overcoming the root causes of violence. Love and sacrifice together are fundamental to peace. As individuals committed to following Christ, embodying these principles is essential so that we may serve as agents of peace.